Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to restore from the recycle bin. Now, what is the recycle bin? So the recycle bin, it temporarily stores all the files and folders before they are permanently deleted. So every time you delete something, it is stored in the recycle bin. To learn in more details, you can come back here later. So this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So now we are back at my Windows and there is the recycle bin. So I'm going to open this and there is the renamed folder. If I want it back at my desktop from where I deleted this, I will simply have to right click on this folder, and just click on restore. And now this recycle bin, it is moved from here and now it is back at my desktop. This is the renamed file. So this is how you restore a file or a folder from the recycle bin. Now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video we have learned how to restore a file or a folder or a program from the recycle bin. So thank you for watching.